My name is Chris Newman, and this is Santa Cruz Aquaponics, a company I founded in June of 2010. I started this enterprise because I, together with the majority of the world's environmental scientists, believe the world is running out of food resources and that we need to discover and develop better ways to utilize the ones we have left. What you see here is a 20,000 square foot R&D project retrofitted into greenhouse space left vacant by a collapsed cut flower industry in coastal California's Pajaro Valley. Just 6 miles from the shores of Monterey Bay, I chose this location for our project for its ideal growing climate, its proximity to the largest community of organic growers in America and their wealth of expertise, and its proximity to the San Francisco Bay Area, where a large segment of the population is supportive of our overall goals. I, my partners Todd Henley and Fonta Sawyer, and the dozens of people who have volunteered time to help make this endeavor a reality all believe passionately in these goals. To find a way to raise food at density with a minimal impact on our fragile biosphere, to raise this food without harmful pesticides or any input of artificial fertilizers in a medium-sized farming model that can be replicated anywhere in the world, and to prove that this can be done profitably, because no farming model is sustainable unless it is economically sustainable. Aquaponics is the science of growing both fish and vegetation in the same closed-loop systems, each supporting the health of the other in a symbiotic relationship made possible by natural biofiltration. Just like a stream does in nature, an aquaponics system uses naturally occurring biological organisms to convert the ammonia in fish waste to nitrogen. The plants introduced to a system's grow beds participate in that natural biofiltration by using this nitrogen as fertilizer, allowing the water circulated through the closed loops to return to the fish tanks clean of otherwise harmful toxins. Unlike other types of aquaculture, aquaponics doesn't discharge its effluent into nearby watersheds where it can upset the fragile balance of existing ecosystems. Everything in one of these systems is self-contained and recycled. In the 16 months since the day we first broke ground here, we've made 1,000 mistakes. I'd been studying aquaponics for 5 years, tinkering with smaller systems and visiting Will Allen's Growing Power project in Milwaukee, and knew just enough to be dangerous. Todd, coming from a background in software engineering, had to learn the worlds of natural biofiltration, water quality, and the raising of hybrid carpet density from the ground up. The challenge has been to make each of those mistakes only once and to discover and grow from the lessons learned. We've made tremendous progress in the interim and now have nearly 20,000 pounds of fish thriving in 70,000 gallons of running water and a ready market for them. After experimenting with both rafted hydroponic technologies and direct planting in our biofilter beds, we've identified over 20 leafy green vegetables that thrive in these systems. Lately, we've obtained organic certification from the California Certified Organic Farmers Organization. Because watercress thrives in these systems, takes so much water to grow using conventional farming methods, and has been identified as a uniquely beneficial superfood, we are concentrating a large percentage of our available grow space to its cultivation. Together with the Environmental Studies Internship Program at the nearby University of California at Santa Cruz, we've been able to offer practical experience and individual research projects to students for academic credit. These have been exciting and also fun associations for both them and us. The research and development of a model like this has been expensive. Initially funded by me, a former best-selling crime writer with a lifelong passion for environmental issues and organic farming passed down to me by my father, the project has more recently been supported by an infusion of capital from my partners and a small SBA loan from the nearby Monterey County Bank. While we are just months from a place where we can prove actual profitability, the entire enterprise is currently skating on the very thinnest of financial ice. If you share our goals and passion and have the resources to do so, we would welcome any sort of financial support you might have to offer. If you'd like to do so, you can contact us via our SantaCruzAquaponics.com website. Thanks for watching.